Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Gaggia classic espresso machine, and where this was having issues leaking, and so we replaced the gasket. Now let's go ahead and pull a shot. The grind is probably a bit fine for this machine, but we're really testing the gasket. Right, that's the goal here, is to show there's no leaking. Now, when the machine is under a lot of pressure, see it's working well. Let's test the steam. So we have nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please check our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.